It's 1:15 on Thursday the 26th of May 2011, and I've just fitted that first power point on the wall. It's got to be in line with those wires that are coming through the joists there. And then I'll be putting this other one about by here somewhere. Yesterday I started getting my cellar bedroom ready. I brought down that light from the living room, and here's my bed. So it's all systems go at 42 Survivors Road. We've just had another nasty rain shower, so today is going to be a day of sunshine and showers.